Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you a very simple and a very easy recipe of how to make white sauce. White sauce is a very versatile dish. You can use it for your bakes, to make pasta, to make your dessert, to make a lot of other things. So for this we'll be needing a very few ingredients. This is a very basic white sauce recipe. You need 1 cup of milk, salt according to the taste. You need little butter, about 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, a very little according to your taste, pepper. So we start making the white sauce. Let's start how to make the white sauce. First we add little butter. We add little butter to make the roux. That's just we're going to make a paste of butter. Add about 1 tablespoon of corn flour and just make a nice paste and cook for a minute. You can see it's coming out like a nice paste. It should not be very lumpy. After a minute or so, we slowly and carefully pour milk and keep mixing so that we don't have bubbles. Give it a nice boil and you'll see the mix starts to thicken a little. As you can see, the milk has started to thicken a little. At this stage, now we will add our salt and pepper, the seasonings. We add the pepper according to the taste and salt according to the taste. Mix it. You can see the milk has thickened. At this point, we'll switch off the flame. We need to maintain the consistency. The consistency should be a pouring consistency, as because when you keep the white sauce, as the white sauce cools, it thickens a little. So your white sauce is ready. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel so that I get lot of encouragement to make further videos. Thank you so very much.